Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about and or not. The ability to change the behavior of a piece of code which is based on certain information in the environment is known as conditional code flow. Sometimes you want your code to run according to certain conditions. In such situation we can use if statements. It is also known as decision making statement as it make the decision on the basis of given expression. If the expression evaluates to true, then the block of code inside the if statement will be executed. If the expression evaluates to false, then the first set of code after the end of the if statement will be executed. For this, create a new file and or not.php. And let's create a variable invoice total 1200 and the discount rate is 0 and the discount amount 0. So if the invoice amount is greater than or equal to 5000 and invoice total is less than or equal to 10,000, then the discount rate is 2%. Else if the invoice total is greater than 1000 but and invoice total is less than 20,000, in this case the discount rate is 5%. So the discount amount will be calculated according to the discount rate. So the invoice total multiplied by discount rate, and let's print this invoice H4 invoice total. And the discount applied. And the discount amount. And the total is invoice amount minus discount amount. Let's check this. And here is the result that when the invoice total is 1200 there is no such discount, and when we have an invoice total of like 5050 then discount applied is 2% and the discount amount is 101 and the total amount is 4949. If we change the invoice total to 10,200, then the rate is 5%. Let's take another example. Let's suppose we have different subjects, English, Maths and Physics, in which we have obtained some marks. Let's create two other variables, result, pass, and the fail marks. Let's suppose it's 20. If the marks of any subjects get below or equal to the fail marks, then we will show that the student is not eligible for promotion. For this, if English less than or equal to fail marks, or Maths equal to or less than fail marks, or if the physics marks are less than or equal to the fail marks, then the result is fail. So let's print the result echo and the heading H3 and the result. So the result is pass, and if we change marks to 19 then the result is fail. If we change any other subject's marks, then the result is still fail. So that's how we use OR operator. So if we want to show the failed subjects, then let's create a variable failed subjects, and here we will show that if English is less than equal to fail marks, then failed subject is English. And let's show the marks with English. Copy and paste this 2 times. And then physics, and then maths. And here we will show the subjects, failed subjects. And here you can see that physics 19, and if we assign to maths 19, then physics 19 and maths 19. That's how we use multiple if statements. And here we can see that if the result is not equal to fail, then echo congratulations. And here is the result. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.